Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is Thursday, January 19th, and this is the market overview. Looking at the Dow, SPX, VIX, TNA, UUP, FXE, GLD, and SLV, and maybe another look at XOY and GE. Okay, starting off with the Dow, another day up, and once again ending at the upper Bollinger Band. Short-term moving averages all pointing up. 14-day RSI moving average pointing up, along with the stochastics, the CCI, the RSI, the histogram, and the MACD. Very nice for the bulls, absolutely. And we have, since we have another high, do we still have divergence? CCI, yes. Stochastics, no. We were thinking that that could get blown out very easily, and it was. Um, Potentially, yes, longer term on the 14-day RSI moving average. MACD histogram, yes, very much so. Um, so, just a waiting game. Just a waiting game. And the strength has just been incredible. Um, Moving right along to SPX, very similar to the Dow, actually essentially identical to the Dow. Um, so no real reason to rehash that. If we do look at DIA and SPY, very similar, except that we have Hanging Man um, instead of just a solid green. Something it's pretty light, but something to consider. Um, and SPY, Hanging Man. So, yeah, that isn't anything really to hang your hat on. It's just for consideration. Going on to the VIX. Ooh, very bad for the Bears. Broke the $20 very important mark. Made a new low. The floor did not hold. And 14-day RSI moving average even getting halted here and going sideways. Very strong, very important. So that's not good news for the Bears. Not at all. It would be at this point that many people would be jumping ship, and for good reason. Um, TNA ending with a small hanging man, getting to the upper Bollinger Band, everything pointing up. This move has just been very strong, very surprising. UUP, yep, it is going down. It's hit the major price consensus level, got just below it, which is also good news for the bulls. Down on everything, and 14-day RSI also pointing down. Is it going to definitively leave this little sideways action? Entirely possible. There should be some slowdown as it goes into the bar, but really this is a really good setup for a move down. No doubt about it. No sugarcoating whatsoever. FXE, Euro, yep, going up for a test of the major price consensus level and the bar. Everything pointing up. 14-day RSI moving average getting underway with its move up. Definitely we could have a decent move here, in which case the call for a dip before a run, maybe we're just going to run and forget the dip. GLD, slight move down, but still a green candle, little hanging man here. Stochastics very high, CCI high, RSI high, 14-day RSI moving average just getting underway. Are these things going to be stuck here until the 14-day gets to the top? We don't know. Slight downtick on the MACD histogram, MACD itself ticking up. Yeah, this makes sense. This makes sense for this to be going up if the dollar is going to be going down. Absolutely. Even with fear decreasing, which is quite amazing in its own right. SLV silver mirrors gold, maybe even a little more positive than gold just by the candle formation, but nonetheless very, very similar to gold. Not much to say here. This is good. We do like precious metals going up. Moving on to XOI oil. We also have a small hanging man, but everything is pointing up. Everything, 14-day RSI, everything. When oil is bullish, the market is bullish, and we did have our test of the 200-day moving average. Does that mean that this is going to go on to brand new highs? We are at that point, so very interesting to see if that in fact happens over the next day or two. But is a small hanging man going to turn it back at this point? We simply do not know, but if it does break out, that certainly will be bullish. Last but not least, GE ended with almost a spinning top, but not quite. Everything's really high. We can see that the histogram is going lower, but everything else just hanging on out at really high levels. Okay, I think that's about it for this evening. Still watching the market, still waiting for more news. It is earnings season. There is lots of enthusiasm, and we're going to see exactly where it goes. As always, all investing decisions are your own. This chart and video are for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Thank you.